Guys, so today we want to prove this result. Basically, when n is larger than 2, we have pi 0 sun, pi 1 sun, pi 2 sun, pi 3 sun. So 0, 0, 0, z. So this is the lower homotopy group for sun. N is larger than 2. Okay, and so the basic case is that SU2 is isomorphic to diffeomorphic to S3. So 3 spheres. So the first 3 homotopy is 0, and the final homotopy is Z. Okay. And to prove this, we just need to use this vibration sequence SUN minus 1, SUN S2n minus 1 to 1, right? And then we can assume that n is larger than 2, so that means 2n minus 1 is larger than 4. 2n minus 1 is larger than 4. Okay, so we have an exact sequence. Basically, if we start from the pi 4 here, then the next should be pi 3, right? So we have pi 4 s 2n minus 1 to pi 3 sun minus 1 to sun. And this pi 3 sun will connect it to pi 3 s 2n minus 1 and to pi 2 sun minus 1 and to pi 2 sun and then pi 2 sn 2n minus 1 and keep doing the pi 1, pi 1, pi 1. Okay, notice that, okay, so here comes the step. So, since S2n minus 1 is larger than 4, right? So, pi 0, pi 1, pi 2, pi 3, all of these S2n minus 1 will all be 0. Okay, so that means, right? Right, also for this, also for up to pi 4, right? Pi 4 still be 0. Right, so we have all of this is 0. Okay, so this tells us that the pi 0 sun minus 1 is isomorphic to pi 0 sun, and the pi 1 sun minus 1 is isomorphic to pi 1 sun, and the pi 2, pi 3 also has this relationship. Okay, so since so now n is larger than 3, n is we are assuming n larger than 2, right? So that means all of these can be deduced. So if I take the pi 0 sun, will be isomorphic to pi 0 su2, and also pi 1 also work for pi 2, also work for pi 3. Okay, so the answer must be z 0, 0, 0, and z. Okay, so use the inductions and this basic step and this simple homotopy for the sphere, we have these results. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in the next videos.